5 natural home remedies to try before bed tonight if you have insomnia. Insomnia is a worldwide problem due to its lack of sleep has on your body and health. Insomnia is a severe problem that shouldn't be downplayed. A lack of sleep can lead to cardiovascular diseases, cognitive impairment, and scariest of life, wrinkles that are remedies for curing insomnia. Some of them are simply just funny, like the idea that drinking before a bed and each night will help you sleep better. But there are some actually home remedies for effective for most of the people. Number one is warm milk. Warm milk is an excellent home remedy to relax your mind and body. Like bananas contain tryptophan that promote the sleep. Mix 1/4 of the cinnamon powder in 1 cup of warm milk. Drink this 1 hour before going to bed. Number two is fenugreek juice. Fenugreek reduces anxiety, insomnia, and dizziness. Mix together 2 teaspoons of juice extracted from fenugreek leaves and 1 teaspoon of honey. Consume it daily. Number three is valerian. Valerian is a medicinal herb with sedative and muscular relaxing properties. It induces relaxation and promotes deep sleep. Some of half teaspoon each of the grated valerian root and nutmeg in 2 cups of hot water. Let it steep for 15 minutes. Strain and drink it more than a few weeks and it had lead to heart problem and withdrawal symptoms. Simply having valerian tea is also helpful. Number four is hot bath. Taking a hot bath or shower about 2 hours before going to bed can be great helpful in treating insomnia. It works as a good bedtime ritual to relax your body and soothe the nerve endings. To make this remedy even more effective, add a few drops of soothing essential oils like lemon balm, chamomile, rosemary, or lavender of the bath water. Number 5 is apple cider vinegar and honey. Apple cider vinegar contains amino acid that relieve the fatigue. It breaks down the fatty acid that release tryptophan. Honey too promotes sleep by raising your insulin and causing a release of serotonin, a brain chemical that helps to regulate the sleep and cycle. Interestingly, low level of serotonin leads to sleep disturbance, whereas high level are associated with wakefulness. So you may need to adjust the remedies depending upon how they affect you so to achieve the optimum mid-level of serotonin that works for you. Mix 2 teaspoons each of the organic apple cider vinegar and honey in a glass of warm water. Drink it before bedtime.
Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.